Okay, so here's the rev limiter dials that I've just installed. Fuel, rev counter, oil pressure, speedo and temperature. Okay, fingers crossed. It took me about an hour. A little bit fiddly, but nothing over the top, to be honest. If somebody like me can do it with fingers like pig's hooves, it's fairly straightforward. Right, let's have a look. Here we go. What does it look like? Ignition on. Oh, there we go. All the other symbols are really clear. And let's fire her up. Yep, all good. Try it, lights on. Fog light warnings. Yep. Traction control. Yeah, well chuffed with them. Looks smart. Really cool. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to reverse it into garage. So from there, we can look at what it looks like in the dark. So here we are in the dark. Let's have a look. Lights on.